Mike Veny was in Las Vegas today, giving the keynote speech at the convention.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In today's world, mental health is no longer a buzzword, it's a priority.
Mental health issues are confusing and frustrating for both the person struggling and the people who love them.
For organizations and events to thrive, we must create spaces where mental health isn't just acknowledged, but celebrated as a core part of success.
United States President Abraham Lincoln was known to have struggled with depression. And historians argue that because of this depression, he had the empathy and insight to confront one of the greatest moral crises in this country.
As someone who has navigated a challenging mental health journey, I know the power of vulnerability, connection, and action. And when I step on that stage, my mission is clear: to inspire, to educate, and to ignite transformation in every single attendee.
The United Way wants to raise $7 million in only 3 months for mental health. They knew they had to bring in the big guns for a feat like this, and that's where mental health advocate Mike Veny comes in.
Whether it's a conference, a college, a convention, or a nonprofit organization, I meet audiences where they are. My presentations go beyond theory and my stories. I deliver actionable insights that empower people to take charge of their mental wellness while improving productivity. I've worked with some of the world's top organizations and conferences to improve mental wellness and productivity. Together, we've made it a competitive advantage, a foundation for true growth, and a driver of true change.
I was driving in New York City. I have a little smart car. You know those cars? Looks like a little death trap or a little Tykes car. A little Tykes. I always say it's, my parents never gave me the little Tykes car, so I got a smart car. And so me and Pippin, my dog, are in the smart car, and the smart car started making it sound like a rocket or something. It was just ridiculous. And my dog is looking at me like, yo, like you need to do something. And I drove to the mechanic, and the mechanic put it up on the lift, right? And after 2 hours comes back to me and is like, sir, I can't really find anything. And I'm getting frustrated, like, seriously? Like, you just had it up for 2 hours? And that's sometimes how we approach going to therapy.
My approach is simple yet powerful. Provide tools that anyone can use to build resilience, foster community, and thrive in today's fast-paced world. From burnout prevention to creating inclusive environments, I bring it all to the table.
You see, when I started therapy, there was what I knew about myself. And there was also what I wanted to learn. But what I didn't realize was what I would discover, that I had all these layers that I never understood about myself. I'd like to compare it to my favorite thing in the world. It's a dish at the Outback Steakhouse called a bloomin' onion. The bloomin' onion comes out. It's getting me hungry just talking about it right now. And you can see this battered onion with all the different layers, and you really see how many layers an onion has. And we all have many of those layers. And when you're willing to discover them, you can start to realize your potential.
His career began as a professional drummer, and he now delivers interactive drumming workshops for team building.
Drumming played a pivotal role in helping me improve my mental health in my younger years, and today I bring that same transformative power to audiences. In addition to keynotes, I also facilitate interactive drumming workshops and breakout sessions that are not only memorable, but a huge hit at conferences. These sessions break down barriers, foster teamwork, and leave participants energized and connected. If you're ready to inspire your audience, elevate your event, and make mental wellness the cornerstone of your success, let's make it happen. I'm Mike Veny, and I'm here to help you take that next step.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.